Thank you. I appreciate that. And I appreciate your being so willing to go along on these inner jaunts.
Oh yeah, I'm the one with my hand up all the time.
That's absolutely true. And so I really want to honor you and appreciate you for that because it's been so much a part of my having a sense of just, Anais, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. So it's been a part of the co-creation.
Mm,
And I'm excited for where you are in your life right now because it's your co-creation now and it's in a beautiful area. And you're going from being an astonishing visual artist and illustrator to now having been part of a book, but now you're writing a single book that's just you.
mhm.
The topic of grief, which is, something that you know about that in a different way than I
Yeah, it's a calling, and
do.
I've taken up the call, and
Yeah.
yeah, it's really exciting because I know how much I'll be able to help people, and because I know how much I've been able to help myself, and with your help and others' help, it's and source, of course. It's um, it's a wonderful life to
It,
live, you
it
know?
absolutely can be. And
Oh,
the before and the after,
hmm.
it's so unique. But we know that the before and the after is life changing.
Yes. Yeah.
We're some of the lucky ones.
Yeah, it is. I have to, I look back and I see the moment that I went, the buck stops here. I'm I'm not carrying this forward. It was the moment that I realized I'd been abused my whole life. And it was in my first marriage or after I got out of my first marriage. And that abuse was obvious. And once I got out on my own, I could have time to contemplate. For the first time in my life, I was living alone. And to come up with that realization um, was a revelation
Mhm.
and did lead to my intention to find a way to not bring it forward. And I've been working on that ever since. And there's still cleanup here and there, that shows up for sure. But, I'm doing what I want to do.